Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing Pikes. This is a very challenging ab exercise, but it also requires some coordination too. The biggest thing about this is that we're going to be balancing on our hips and we're going to be moving our arms and legs at the same time. So extending together and then bringing them in together. That's where the coordination part comes in. So when we do these, we're not going to be back on our back. We actually want to begin by being engaged, because the second that we lose engagement, everything just kind of goes away. So we're going to start here, legs super engaged. I'm flexing my quads. I've got my arms ready, and then we're going to meet in the middle, balance. Back on the back, meet in the middle, balance. The second we lose tension in our abs, we're just going to be back to starting, and then we have to regain that tension to start again. So if you need to take breaks during your sets, it's all good. So if you want more core building exercises like this, sign up for online training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.